Before you start on your blog, there are a few key items that you need to remember in order to have a successful blog that people will want to read. If you stick with these items, you're almost guaranteed a quality blog that will get you a good amount of traffic onto your site. The first thing to keep in mind is how many other blogs are there on the internet that are on the same topic that you want to have your blog on. You may have to do a web search and see just how many blogs there are on the topic that you've chosen. If you don't see many blogs on your topic, you probably have a good chance of getting a good amount of hits to your blog. If you search and find a good amount of blogs on your topic, you'll probably want to change your topic, as the odds are that not many people will visit your blog if they're already reading somebody else's on the same topic. And if you find no blogs on your topic at all when you search for it, then there's a great chance that you'll have a niche in the market that only you will enjoy, and all the blog traffic will be directed to your blog alone. Once you've chosen your topic, you may want to visit some blog marketing websites where you can get downloads that you can offer to those people who visit your site. And there are many different types of free items that you can get for your blog. One popular free item are those smiley software packages that can be downloaded, and then people can add them to their instant messages or emails. And most people have a fascination with these little picture files and love adding them to their collections. You could also add free online games. There are many different types of games that you can add to your blog for download. You may also be able to make extra money by adding freeware to your blog. Promoters of this type of software will pay you each time somebody downloads the program. When you start getting a lot of hits on your blog, you can also sell advertising space and make even more money, and this can be very profitable for those who choose to do online blog marketing. It's very, very important that you keep your blog content completely original. You'll lose credibility if you're just copying and pasting content from another blog or resource. By keeping your blog original, you'll be assured that people will return to read your blog again and again, as they will be certain of your sincerity and originality. You'll also be able to get more advertisers on an original blog. There's also a chance that you could get into some trouble if you're plagiarizing another person's blog content. So by keeping your blog original, you'll be assured at a successful and legal blog that could potentially earn you some extra income. If you have a long blog post you want to make, you could split it up into 3 or 4 sections, and then your readers will want to come back and see what the next installment is going to tell them. You could leave them hanging with a cliffhanger type ending that will make them want to come back and see what you're going to be writing on next. Alternatively, if your blog is a how-to or instructional blog, you could post one step at a time, and doing this will practically force your readers to come back to get further instruction from your blog. One note here though is don't take too much time between sets of instructions, as your readers may become frustrated if they had to wait too long for the next step to be posted. You want to keep them interested, but if you take too long, they may simply become bored. When you start up your blog, you'll want to make sure you get a lot of hits when people search your topics. One way to make sure this happens is to use relevant keywords that can be searched from any search engine and will allow your blog to be found when this search takes place. There are many ways you can make sure that your blog has the content and keyword searchability that will put your blog at the top of the search engine results list. Using keywords that are relevant to your topic is probably one of the most important aspects in determining the success of your blog. It's important to make sure that you're searchable through any search engine so those interested in your topic can find you. Because most people will search for blogs using different keywords, it's imperative that you include as many keywords or phrases that will garner the most hits no matter what the keywords or phrases searched. One great way to do this is to get some of your friends or colleagues together and just sit down and say the first words that come to mind when you're thinking about your blog topic. This type of session will allow you plenty of ideas, and you can then dismiss the keywords that do not make sense, as you may get some that are not really as relevant as they may have seemed at first. This is an easy way to get as many keywords as possible that will enable search engines and those searching for your topic to find you. You may also be able to get differing opinions of keywords that you may not have thought to be relevant. The downside to this method is trying to get the list of words into workable sentences, and it can be time consuming going through each word a second time to confirm its relativity. Now, if you don't have the time for a session like that, what you can do is find some tools that can help you discover good keywords. Some are free, some you have to pay for. And I suppose the best two are the Google AdWords keyword tool. If you just do a search in Google for Google AdWords keyword tool, you can find it here. And what you do is you enter your keyword and fill out the captcha here, and then press Get Keyword Ideas. It'll come up with a whole lot of different keywords that you can use. Or you can download this software here, which is Good Keywords, and this is actually a paid for service, but there is a free trial version, and it's going to give you lots of different keywords that you can use, as well as lots of statistics about how often they're searched for and so on. And you'll need to have a great grasp of your topic so that when you search for your keywords or phrases, you'll get the most relative keywords for your topic. And this will save you a lot of time, and if you decide to update your blog, it'll be easy to search for more relevant keywords or phrases. Now, some of these programs, like Good Keywords, may cost you a little bit, but it'll quickly enable you to fast search keywords and phrases that you can access and use quickly, and it's well worth the investment. Now, another great way to search out keywords and phrases is to type them yourself into a search engine and see what types of blogs your search produces. If there is a relevance that goes with your topic when you search, you know that you're on the right track. And this can be time consuming, and it's often hit and miss, but you'll be able to get a few keywords and a few phrases this way. And if you're writing a blog on a topic that's not familiar, this method may not yield the results that you're looking for. And Google actually has a search engine just for blogs, and it's this one, blogsearch.google, and I'm in the UK, so it's .co.uk, but there is one at google.com, I believe. Yeah, there we go. And you can see it's got all the different blogs, and you can type in a topic, let's say, and it just searches blogs, and you can see there's a whole lot of different blogs for our search topic, hair care, and then you can go through and read some of these blogs and so on. One of the most important things to remember is that in the beginning it may be a bit hit and miss. You may need to change your keywords or phrases from time to time if you're not getting the hits to your blog as you feel that you should be. And this could be the biggest clue as to whether or not your keywords or phrases are bringing in traffic to your blog. Most websites that post blogs will have a counter for you to see how many hits your blog is getting during a certain time frame. By keeping an eye on this counter, you'll be able to see when your keywords are bringing in traffic to your blog, and you can then work on your keywords or phrases to get the most relevant keywords and phrases for your topic. If you're looking to build a marketing blog or a website in order to make money, you may want to consider becoming an affiliate who sells other people's products for them. And this is a great way to generate extra income for stay-at-home workers who'd like to earn some extra cash without having to invest a lot of capital in order to do it. This is probably one of the easiest ways to increase your income with very little effort on your part. There are a few tips that will help you to add traffic to your website or blog that will enable you to be more successful as an affiliate for other products on the web. There may be many types of items that you can become affiliated to. Some may be software that's downloaded directly from a website or blog, and others are items that may need to be shipped from the manufacturer. The first thing that you'll need to do before you begin the process of selling products on your website or blog is to find a product that's in great demand. You can do this by searching the affiliate programs online. If the product you're going to pre-sell is a popular item, you'll have more success at getting a good amount of traffic that's willing to purchase this product from your website or blog. You will also want to make sure the product is one you're familiar with, as you will not be able to sell a product that you do not truly believe in. Many have a tendency to just grab any product that they think will make money on their website or blog. By doing the research first and believing in the product, you'll have more success in getting the product onto your pre-sale list, and you'll generate more income this way. It is also important to add products that are not too expensive, as people will be more likely to purchase products that are less expensive. You will generate more income from a good amount of small sales than you would from one large sale. This is a common mistake that's made by many affiliates. They assume that because a product is a high-end item or it's an expensive piece of software, then they're going to make more money than they would with a less expensive item or a smaller piece of software. And the opposite is actually true. While you may have 1 or 2 sales a month with an expensive item, the odds are you will be able to sell more of a less expensive item or software over the long run. And you can increase your blog or website hits by adding reviews that you've written about your affiliates' products. And these reviews should be original content, and they should describe the product in full, and should also allow the consumer the opportunity to purchase these products from your website. If you've taken the time to find a product or products that you believe in and you're familiar with, you will be more successful in writing articles that will genuinely sell the products in question. You can send out these reviews to your email list, as well as posting them on your website or blog to generate more interest in the product or software that you're offering or are affiliated to. If you're sending out emails to your group of subscribers, you do not always want to send out promotions for free items each time you send out an email. Your group will get so used to the free items that they will not want to purchase items from you as an alternative. If you stagger your promotional emails, you will have more success with your pre-sale items, as your email group will visit your site or blog to purchase these items, as well as taking advantage of the free promotions that you're offering.